As prison populations throughout the state of Arizona begin to get vaccinated, immigration advocacy groups are demanding that ICE detainees get their fair share. Cronkite News reporter Vlahovich looked into where the friction comes from.
Isis Gill is the interim director of the activist group Puente. She says the vaccination plan for ICE detainees lacks transparency.
We have been, through a lot of our campaigns, have been in contact with a lot of detainees in ICE jails and prisons throughout the state. And we know for a fact, unfortunately, that none of our people have been vaccinated.
According to ICE, COVID-19 vaccines are being allocated by local and state health departments and were incorporated into the total COVID-19 vaccine amounts distributed by the federal government to each state. In a statement, the spokesperson for ICE says, quote, "At this time, a limited number of ICE detainees have begun to receive the COVID-19 vaccine based on availability and priorities for vaccinating individuals in the state where they are currently detained." Yvette Borja of ACLU Arizona says that the public needs more information.
It seems like it's happening very haphazardly.
The statement also says that, quote, "Vaccines that detention facilities receive from their state may be administered by ICE Health Service Corps or contract facility medical staff or through other processes as defined by the state and/or local vaccination implementation plan." Borja says since last year, the ACLU has been following the COVID-19 cases within ICE detention centers.
The ACLU of Arizona sued ICE and the CoreCivic facility because of the lack of COVID preparedness and the mismanagement of COVID.
According to the ICE website, as of February 23rd, the total confirmed COVID-19 cases in Arizona's detention centers are 114 in Florence Correctional Center, 292 in Eloy Federal Contract Facility, 100 in Florence Detention Center, and 585 in La Palma Correctional Facility.
Some of the treatment that they've given our people is just inhumane. Like, for example, we've heard of people that have gotten tested positive for COVID-19, and as a means to take care of that, they've put them in solitary confinement. As we all know, that's a form of torture.
According to CoreCivic, the private company who operates ICE detention centers, as of the week of February 14th, they had administered 4,500 COVID-19 vaccines across 20 facilities located in 10 states, and they continue to receive doses of COVID-19 vaccines at several facilities. But Borja believes taking care of ICE detainees during the pandemic is in everyone's best interest.
Experts have long been talking about how these detention centers are like a tinderbox ready to explode with COVID because there is no way to social distance.
Vlahovich, Cronkite News.
ACLU Arizona is still involved in a lawsuit with Customs and Border Protection regarding the conditions at their short-term facilities and will be paying close attention to case rates throughout the facilities moving forward.